Dude, chill. Chill. Yan. Kaya say hi to Crypto. Aray! My hyper dog. Hindi hyper. Ay. Okay. Okay. Hala! Ang dami nangyayari. Ako yung nasa-stress. She's got her own thing. Cypher. He's almost 1 year na. So say happy birthday. Maybe that's why you're so hyper. Because it's your birthday. Yeah. Anong breed po niya? He's actually an Aspen. But I have a feeling may lahi. But the vet said, ano po siya, Labrador. Pero feeling ko, he's ang tawag doon? Aso. I think he's an aso. Let's play the song. She's got her own thing. Kayo naman, what's your would you rather? Sali ko po sa The Voice Teens next season. Sige po! Kumabot po ako. The Voice Teens. Parang pwede naman, no? Ano po laman ng bag? Gusto niyo ba? Sige, wait lang. Ay, sorry. Sorry na pause. Okay, ito. Okay, ready? Bag grade? Ano lang naman laman sa bag ko eh. This is the first thing that's in my book. My book tuloy. In my bag. Ayan, see, this is why I don't... So, first thing in my bag that you'll see. Sa book. Every time I travel, bumibili ako ng libro sa airport. Or I try at least. This is called the decision book. Because for those of you who don't know, grabe, I'm so indecisive. As in like, and nandali ko din masway. Halimbawa, sabihin ko gusto ko, like, I wanna go somewhere. But then, sasabihin ng best friend ko, like, oh no, let's go here. I'll probably just go there. Kasi I can't decide. Minsan I'm like that. My bag from, Yellow Basket. Anyways, yeah. So this book is more, but this is more like on a business level. And in life, actually, strategic thinking, which is something that I was curious about. So, but I feel like decisions kasi dictate what will happen in your life, diba? I mean, it's good to analyze decisions and think them carefully. Dahil ko sinasabi, okay, yun yung una. And then also my camera, pero it's out, it's on the couch. So, next is oh my God, for those of you guys who always ask kung ano pa bang ako, ito siya. Walang label. Secret. Joke lang. No, it's this one. If you know, you know. Ito pa. My shades. This is one pair. AirPods. Asan yung sisiyo? Hindi pa nanganganak. Next, another pair of shades. Hi, Tita Teresa! I miss you! Ito. Ito nabili ko na sa Shanghai. Hand grease! Kasi minsan, maano yung kamay ko, it dries up because I work out. Wow. Hindi, pero may mga kalyo. So obviously, pag may mga motion, may mga ganun, gusto ko pag kakamay ako, at least, di ganun kagaspang. I have rough hands talaga. So, sorry. Pero ito po. Ang bango, super bango nito. This is from Two Summer. This is cedar wood. It's super bango. Amoy nyo. Dali. Bango, no? Diba? Super. Next. I usually have my wallet. I don't know where my wallet is. Ito, power bank. Ganda. It's a nice power bank. Ito, shades. Again. Grabe, ang dami kong salamin.
Kahit na walang sinabi ang kinakasama mo, kaya ka sa'kin kahit na maging pangalawa ko. Di mapagmalaki, di mo mapagmalaki, dapat lang malaman mo, kahit di kita mahihiyan sa boyfriend mo.
Bakit ako maraming shades? Kasi my eyes are very sensitive. Siguro kasi I always, pag nasa set ako or nasa studio, yung ilaw kasi na ginagamit for taping, para siyang kasing lakas ng araw. It's artificial light, kumbaga. So minsan, when we're on stage or on set, nahihilo agad ako, or my eyes get blurry. I don't know if I have astigmatism, astig. But, parang ngayon, so marami yung shades. Prepared. Para babagay sa kung anong outfit. Tapos next, ito, isa kong pabango. Ayun. Yeah. Told you it's not that fun, guys. Pero ayun lang. Ano pa man naman ito? Lip balm, very important. Nasa taping kayo. Kapag nasa taping tayo, ayun, halaka. Oh my God. Sira ko pa. Oh, yeah. It's for work. Shout out kay Hernan. Ano yung lip gloss? Hindi po eh. Parang ano lang siya, balm. Yung parang pampaano lang. Moisturize. Ako kasi, yung lips ko mabilis mag-dry. Kaya ayun. I mean, it's good to have. Ayaw kong maging kaibigan lang. Ito din. This is another perfume I have. Ang dami kong baon, no? This is a smaller version. Tapos guys, ito pa, from Toronto. I'm a amethyst kasi February. Pinagala sa akin, so I kept it. This is may... Anong tawag dun? May birthstone. Anong brand itong lip balm? Ito. Ayaw kong maging kaibigan lang. Oh, ito. This is from my mother. Ito ang paborito niyang suklay. Si mama kasi kailangan niya yung suklay na may ganito. So, kinuha ko sa niya. Kinuha ko sa kanya. Ayaw kong maging kaibigan lang. Tapos why I got this bag. Sabi guys, so versatile. Tingnan nyo. Pwede siyang ganito. Diba? Tapos, kung gusto mo mas maikli, pwede. Ganito lang po siya, ma'am sir. Lagay nyo lang po siya dito. Tapos i-tighten nyo lang siya. Tapos ipasok nyo lang po ito dito sa kanyang lalagyan. Boom! Oh, may bago ka ng bag. O, diba? Pwede ng short. Oh. Okay guys, yellow basket na. Maging kaibigan lang. Ayaw kong maging kaibigan lang. I have another bag. My backpack. Yun yung mas maraming laman. And then I also have ito pang taping ko na bag. Masaya to. Ayaw kong maging kaibigan lang. This is my other bag. I love bags. Like, that's something about me. Kasi parang, I guess I got it from my mom. Kasi namin pwedeng ilagay. Like, dati growing up, I used to have multiple backpacks. Ewan ko, trip ko lang. Ang daming bag, no? Pwedeng isang malaki na lang. No, pero maarte ako eh. Gusto ko iba-ibang bag. Anyways, so first one, I have my camera. But actually, nalagay lang to dito. I don't know why it's here, actually. But anyways, it's here. Tapos ito, guys, oh my God, hindi pa siya open. Portable bidet. Panis! Diba? Pag kinailangan. Oh, so yellow basket lang po natin yan.
Ang social media din, tinda mo talaga, hindi ang social media din. Social media din,
Tapos I have chargers.
social media
Nawala
din.
po.
Tinda mo talaga, hindi ang social media din.
As in, puro ganito lang. Pero wala akong kable. Kasi alam mo, isa lang yung kable ko, so sinishare ko siya sa mga device ko. Medyo kuripat ako when it comes to these things eh. Laugh trip. Okay, next. Oh, ito, importante din to. Electric fan. Ngayon, ang init. Yeah? Pero deads. Kasi wala nga akong kable. Ito, makeup for taping. Ito talaga ginagamit natin. Kailangan yan. Shoutout kay Ate Win. Nako, siyang nagregalo sa akin. May nakalagay pa. Michael. What is the song? Oh, I like the song. Okay, what else? What else is in here? Hairspray. Actually, pan-taping ko lang talaga to eh. O, ito, oil oil control. Swear, okay siya. Pinagdala mo kita. Ito, setting spray. Ayan. Oh, and guess what? But wait, there's more. Salamin. Nice to meet you kanina. Nice to meet you.
May gusto mong iba, sa akin di na bali, isang tawagin naman yung atensyon mo na babae, hindi mo pa ako kilala, kaya mo lang nasasabi.
Anong camera ko?
Walang kaming gagong mga lalaki.
Wait lang. Ayan. I'll show you my camera, guys. Because I love that camera. I only have a few. Sumili ko sa photography. Okay. Look at this. So cute, no? It's called a Fuji. Crypto chill. Inanalagi kita. Kailangan mangyari. The other one, where is it? The Osmo. I don't know where it's at. Right there. Yes. I like collect a few things. I like to collect shoes dati. Chill, bro. I like to collect shoes. I know. Gusto pumasok. Ano pa kasi siya eh, nagpa-potty pa siya. Or else, papotty siya sa loob. Tapos, hats. Look at some hat. I try. Every time I travel, bumili ako ng isang pair of, pair tuloy. Like, I mean like, sombrero. Wala, I feel like it's cool lang. Parang something that you can, always wear. Diba? Mine. Sige po, mine na lang po sa Yellow Basket. Ano magandang songs? Ikaw galing kalye, ako galing mansyon, ikaw galing nan. I like the song. What's my favorite book? Marami eh. Geronimo Stilton. So I like there's this book that Tita Connie gave me. It's called A Power of Influence. It's a really good book kasi parang I read it inside PBB and siguro kasi parang it was very timely that I was in PBB because it's really about the industry I want to tackle. It relates to the industry I want to be in. Diba? Pagiging isang actor, right? So parang there, it shows oh my God. Parang how do you handle being in a position? But it's not just about being an actor or an artista. It's actually about like life in general. Parang you can you'll always have influence in life. Whether it be just in your family, in the setting, or your workplace, o kahit sa church, whatever, di ba? So parang dun mo magagamit for the better. So it's just a good book. It's a good book for life in general. If I were to recommend a book, really good book. And I'm so thankful kasi narinigaluhan ako ni Tita Connie ng libro na yan. I also read Geronimo Stilton. Di ba? Oh my God, I'm such a fan. Grabe, that was my like go-to nung elementary ako. Geronimo Stilton, Percy Jackson, Hunger Games. Maano ako dati when I was young, malibro. Ano, does that make sense? I like to read. Malibro. Kuya Michael loves... Asa na yung sisiyo? Wala na. Mayan po, Kap. Sige. Kabisado ko na. But yeah, ayun. Here we have it. Oh my God, I did a bag raid. Ang saya. So ayun kanina sa SM but thank you. Anong brand ng hand cream ko? It's called Two Summer. It's in China. Very popular in China. Invite Easy. Wala na. She was here kanina though. Since Kumu days. Uy, thank you. Grabe. Any of the viewers here, have you guys watched me when I was still on Kumu? Those were the days, grabe. Kabisado ko na ang tamis ng iyong labi. What hair gel do I use? This isn't sponsored but I really like talaga Avida. Super ganda. Kasi ako sensitive sa mga products. Nahihilo ako mga ganun. Kabisado ko na. Favorite song as of the moment? Do you guys know Wonderwall? You're my Wonderwall.